Want to make a second YouTube channel, but not a second Google account? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to have multiple YouTube channels on one Gmail account. Now let's get started. YouTube allows users to manage up to 50 YouTube accounts under one Google account or one email address. To add a second YouTube channel under your Gmail account, open your preferred browser and go to youtube.com. Log into YouTube with the Gmail account you want to use to manage your YouTube channels. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select YouTube Studio. On the left, click the settings icon. Select Channel, then Advanced Settings. Scroll down and click Manage YouTube Account. This will open a new browser tab. Now click Create a new channel. Choose a name and a handle for your new channel. You can also add a profile picture. When you're done, click Create Channel. You can then begin customizing and using your new channel on YouTube. You can easily switch between the channels you manage on YouTube by clicking your profile icon, and then switch accounts. Now just click the channel you want to switch to. That's all it takes to make and manage multiple YouTube channels under one Gmail account. For more helpful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.